Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open Lloyds Bank new business account. So first we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search for lloydsbank.com. So this is their official website. So next we're going to click on the login button. Then under that we're going to click on register. Then it's going to tell us what we need to register for this internet banking. So you can register with your current or savings account, a loan, a mortgage, a credit card, a shared dealing account, as well as a home insurance policy. So then we're going to click on register here. Here you're going to fill out your information, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, the email you use, as well as numerous things you have to fill out. So once you're done, you're going to click on the I agree to the internet banking terms and conditions. Then you're going to click on continue. So next there are steps you're going to have to fill out. Then you've successfully opened your page. I hope this video was a help for you guys. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.